Welcome to the section Exploring Machine Learning. In this video, we shall get started with machine learning and artificial intelligence. Machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence which involves self-learning by applying statistics over observed data in order to apply this learning to perform a specific task, more precisely, statistical model. These models are based on sample data, namely the training data, in order to make predictions or decisions. These predictions are made without using instruction written by a human being, but by identifying patterns in data. In a nutshell, machine learning is the task of making computers more intelligent by learning from data. Machine learning is also referred to as predictive analytics. It is seen as a subset of artificial intelligence. Machine learning is so omnipresent today that you probably use it many times a day without knowing it. Speech recognition, effective web searches, emails filtering, etc. The scope of application of machine learning is very wide, understanding the human genome, self-driving cars, computer vision, etc.